Hello and welcome again to another edition of our Big Bike Parts Media channel. We're here today with Show Chrome Accessories to discuss another brand new comfort-related item for the Can-Am Spyders. This is going to be the chrome handlebar end weights, which weigh 7 ounces apiece and fit on the Can-Am Spyder RT, ST, as well as the F3 models. This particular item is going to take and reduce the vibration that comes through your handlebars when you're traveling down the road. If you have any further questions with regards to this chrome handlebar dampener, please feel free to look us up online at www.bigbikeparts.com. While you're there, please check out the dealer locator section. You can also give us a phone call at 888-BIG-BIKE. And be sure to like us on Facebook to stay up on all the new items. Again, thank you for watching and safe riding.